Imagine this. Contractions start, your heart is racing, you rush to the hospital, and suddenly you realize you forgot your charger, baby clothes, and snacks. Let's make sure that never happens to you. Today we're packing the ultimate hospital. Bag for delivery, everything. You actually need what you don't need. And smart tips from real moms. Stay till the end because I'll share the items most moms forget. First question every mom asks, when should I pack my hospital bag? The sweet spot is between 34 to 36 weeks of pregnancy. Because babies don't follow calendars. They follow vibes. Keep the bag near your door or in the car so you can leave anytime without panic. Let's start with you, mama. Because after delivery, comfort is everything. I suggest you to pack all these items. Loose front open nightgowns that make breastfeeding easy without changing clothes again and again. Comfortable going home outfit. It should be loose dress or maternity wear. Nursing bras, 3 to 4. Your breasts become sensitive and heavy after delivery. Nursing bras give support and comfort and make feeding quick and easy. Cotton or disposable underwear. After birth, bleeding can be heavy. Comfortable underwear helps hold maternity pads and keeps you clean and comfortable. Slippers or flip-flops. Warm socks, hospital floors are cold. Trust me, socks are lifesavers. Pack travel size essentials. Toothbrush and toothpaste, face wash and moisturizer. Lip balm. This sounds small but is very important. During labor, you breathe through your mouth a lot, so your lips become extremely dry. Hairbrush and hair ties, deodorant. Shampoo and conditioner, small towel. You might think you won't care about these, but after delivery, a shower feels like a spa day. Post-delivery essentials. Maternity pads. Post-delivery bleeding is heavier than a period. You need thick pads for protection and comfort. Nipple cream. Breastfeeding can cause soreness in the first days. Nipple cream helps prevent cracks and pain. Breastfeeding pillow helps support your baby at the right height while feeding. Reduces strain on your back, neck, and shoulders. Makes long feeding sessions easier. Especially useful after C-section to avoid pressure on your tummy. Breast pads. After delivery, your body suddenly starts producing milk. In the first days, milk supply is not regulated yet, so leaking is very common. Peri bottle. A peri bottle is a small squeeze bottle used to wash the vaginal area after delivery. It helps you clean gently and pain-free after normal delivery. It's a lifesaver in the first weeks, but it is optional up to you. These items are must-have for recovery and comfort. Phone plus long charging cable. Snacks and energy bars. Labor and recovery use a lot of energy. Hospitals don't always provide food when you're hungry. Water bottle folder with medical documents and insurance. Glasses or contact lenses if you're using. Now let's pack for the star of the show. Baby clothing. Babies spit up and leak diapers. Extra outfits keep baby clean and cozy. Baby cap, mittens, and socks. Newborns cannot control body temperature well. These items keep baby warm and prevent scratching. Newborn diapers. Newborns use 8 to 12 diapers a day, yes, that's many. Baby water wipes, it should be alcohol-free. Your baby skin is very sensitive. Soft baby blankets. Burp cloths. Swaddle. Inside the womb, babies are in a tight, cozy space. After birth, the world suddenly feels big, cold, and noisy. Swaddling helps baby feel safe again. Diaper cream. Newborns poop many times a day. Constant moisture from diapers can irritate the skin quickly. It prevents diaper rash before it starts. Acts as a protective barrier during frequent diaper changes. Special going home outfit. Installed car seats. Most hospitals won't let you leave without a car seat ready. Yes, partners, you have homework too. Pack change of clothes, toiletries, phone charger, snacks and water, cash or cards, and most important, patience and encouragement. Let's save space by skipping these mistakes. Jewelry or valuables, hospital are not responsible if you lose it. Too many clothes because you'll mostly wear hospital gown. Full makeup kits, you won't use them. Baby formula, hospital provides if needed. Keep it simple and practical. Breast pump. Most hospitals provide a hospital-grade breast pump if you need it. Here are the most forgotten items. Long charging cable, lip balm, hair ties, snacks, folder with documents. These tiny things make a big difference. Before packing, always check with your hospital. Many essentials are usually provided, so you may not need to bring everything. Packing your hospital bag is one of the most exciting steps before meeting your baby. Save this checklist, share it with a mama-to-be, and tell me in the comments, what's the one item you can't live without in your hospital bag? Your baby could arrive anytime, so pack today and relax tomorrow.